How many subscriptions are you paying for right now? Be honest. Do you even use half of them? Those $5 here, $10 there charges can quietly drain thousands from your bank account every year. In this video, I'll show you smart ways to cancel unused subscriptions and trim monthly bills without sacrificing the things you love, so you can keep more money in your pocket starting this month. In the US, the average person spends over $200 a month on subscriptions and recurring services, and most don't realize it. Streaming platforms, app memberships, premium accounts, gym fees, even software trials, they add up fast. The real danger? These charges are automatic. Once you sign up, companies rely on you forgetting about them. That's why trimming them is one of the easiest ways to free up extra cash for savings, debt payoff, or investments. Start by tracking everything. Check your bank statements and credit card bills for the past 3 to 6 months. Look for recurring charges, even small ones. Use tools like Truebill/Rocketmoney, Mint, or YNAB that scan your accounts and list all subscriptions in one place. Sometimes you'll find services you forgot you were even paying for. Once you have your list, cancel services you haven't used in the last 30 to 60 days. Downgrade premium plans to basic ones if you only use limited features. Call customer service. Sometimes saying "I'm thinking of canceling" triggers a discount offer to keep you. For free trials, set a reminder a few days before they end so you can cancel before being charged. Subscriptions aren't the only place you're overspending. Look at your monthly bills. Internet, call and ask for promotional rates or switch providers. Cell phone, consider prepaid or shared plans. Insurance, shop around for auto and home insurance quotes yearly. Utilities, energy-efficient habits can lower your bill without sacrificing comfort. Many services have loyalty departments trained to keep customers, which means they often have hidden discounts if you just ask. After cutting costs, set a reminder to review your accounts every 3 to 6 months. Automation works both ways. It can drain your money without you noticing, or it can help you save if you regularly review and cancel what you don't need. Think of it this way: every $20 you save monthly is $240 a year. If you invest that instead, over time it could grow into thousands. Canceling subscriptions isn't about depriving yourself. It's about redirecting money toward your real goals. I've linked my favorite subscription tracking and bill negotiation tools in the description. Try them out today and let me know in the comments how much you were able to save. Your future self will thank you.